for Ocho Diretso. But I also like to say that it is a very valid comment na sinabi nila, bakit wala si Mark Rojas dito? And I think he guested on a television show where I think he is building his own brand. I think his brand is Ocho Diretso because his name is with Ocho Diretso. So hindi ko it is here to tell Mark he has to join the team and be one with the team. Because sa totoo lang, given the times, we have to put the opposition in place. And it's so scary kasi kanina pagdating ko sabi niya kay Sen Kiko, uy salamat yung sa video, Kiko ha, hindi na ako naka-reply sa'yo kasi wala na akong load. Alam niyo na iyak ako? Kasi this is the truth of the candidate. Ang nagpapanalo sa eleksyon, pera, wala namang payununin. I mean, you know, and lucky for Mark, he has it, and yes, others, but the most of you don't. And we need Mark to support all of you, and I hope Mark supports all of you. And he will so that you will win. I'm for also the rest and a few others in opposition, but please, you know, I hope you all win. But my question is, I mean, what other things are you doing? Because money will help with elections. But are you thinking out of the box? I mean, what are you doing to push your agenda? I mean, to maximize the people who actually support you. Because otherwise, yung mga pagganito-ganito, tingnan nyo nga, oh, ang konti-konti, hindi tayo mananalo. You have how many months to win the election? And what out of the box kind of thinking are you doing to win?